Tennessee Armed Guard License Class at Alliance Training and Testing. Get your armed security license in Tennessee. Our training meets all state requirements. 16-hour course, taught by experienced professionals. What you will learn: firearms laws and safety, weapon handling, marksmanship, tactical training, situational awareness, defensive tactics, use of force. Who should attend? Those who want to become armed security guards in Tennessee. Anyone who wants to learn more about firearms safety and self-defense. Why choose us? Experienced instructors, state-of-the-art facilities, affordable prices. Get started today. Visit our website, guardtrainingtn.com.